So welcome back to Apt for You. Let us continue our discussion of permutation and combinations without further delay. So let us quickly start with the problem. So today's first problem is how many words can be formed from the letters of the word Sunday. Okay, so first of all you have to find out that how many words can be formed from the letter of the word Sunday. So basically we have the word Sunday, SUNDANY, right? So basically you can clearly see that there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 letters. Since they have asked how many words can be formed, now whenever they say how many words can be formed, the words can have any meaning or it can be without any meaning. For example, you may have any word like USNDYA, something like this. Doesn't matter, it does not have any meaning, but still it is a word. Alright, so how many such words are possible with the letters of the word Sunday? So whenever we consider those things, okay, जब भी वो consider करेंगे या कितने words बन सकते हैं इन सारे letters को use करके, तो basically we do 6 factorial. Why 6 factorial? Because there are 6 letters and we will take the permutation of these 6 letters, like permutations, different arrangements of these letters, so which is nothing but 720. Alright, now the second is bit advanced. How many of these begin with D? So, okay, so since you found that total 720 words can be formed using the letters of the word Sunday. Alright, but now they have said how many of these begins with D. So since they have said that the word begins with D, okay, the word has to begin with D, so one position is already occupied, the first position. You are left with 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So you are left with these 6 positions, right? So how many of these begin with letter D? So the idea is very simple. D you have already fixed in this position, right? D you have already fixed in these positions. You are left with 3 and 2 5 letters, right? You are left with 3. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's fine now. There were total 6 positions, right? So the first position is already occupied by the letter D. You are left with remaining 5 positions and you are also left with 5 letters. So basically 5 positions, 5 letters, 5C5, right? Into, now suppose these 5 positions are allotted to these 5 letters, that is why I'm writing 5C5. okay, so it's suppose you got something like SUNAY. Okay, D is in the first position and the remaining words are here. Now it is not that this is the only possible combination. You can also have another word called DSAYUN, right? This is also a possible word which begins with D. How do we include this combination? So for that what we do is basically we take 5C5 into the permutation of these remaining letters. So 1 2 3 4 5, which is 5 factorial, which is nothing but 1 into 120, which is equal to 120 words. So basically there are 120 words which begins with D. Alright, so I hope ये idea clear है. बहुत simple था, D से start हो रही है तो D को fix करो. Remaining 5 position बच गई. D already चला गया है, हमारे पास बचे हैं 5 letters और 5 पोजीशन, तो 5C5. पहले पोजीशन फिक्स करो, लास्ट वीडियो में सिखाया था 5C5. तो इन्हीं 5 पोजीशंस में ये लेटर्स जाएंगे, बट दैट इज़ नॉट इनफ. यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 5 फैक्टोरियल. वाई? बिकॉज द परम्यूटेशंस ऑफ द लेटर्स, राइट, वो लेटर्स आपस में भी अरेंज कर सकते हैं. तो 120. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज द आंसर टू द सेकंड पार्ट. ओके, so let us move to the next question. How many words can be formed out of the letters of the word Oriental? So basically they have given you the word is Oriental, right? So ORIENTAL, Oriental. Okay, so one more thing I would like to say you that you see till now whatever words we have chosen, all the letters are unique. अभी तक जो भी words use कर रहे हैं उसमें हर एक letter unique है, कहीं भी letters duplicate नहीं हो रहा है या फिर कहीं भी letters एक से ज़्यादा बार नहीं आ रही है. For example यहाँ O है तो O एक ही बार है, R एक ही बार है, I एक ही बार है, राइट? तो लेटर्स की फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 है. ठीक है, हम लोग जो भी प्रॉब्लम अभी तक डिस्कस किए हैं स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वीडियो टिल करंट वीडियो, इन एवरी केसेस वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अ condition where the word has unique letters. We will deal with such conditions also where the words may have duplicate letters. Okay, but don't worry, for the time being we have the word Oriental. Now they have said you how many words can be formed out of the letters of the word Oriental. so that the vowels always occupy the odd places. So the question is similar to the one we have discussed in the previous video. Basically we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So 8 positions are already there, and now out of 8 positions, now you see what are the odd positions. So let me change the color of the ink. So let me change the ink color. So the color of the ink, alright, so let us take blue. Now such that the vowels occupy the odd places. So the odd places are this particular place, 1 3 5 7, right? So 1 3 5 7 are the odd places. So number of odd places is equal to 5, not 5, sorry, 4, right? 1 2 3 and 4, these are the number of odd places. And number of vowels, so basically you have one vowel here, O, second vowel I, third E, fourth A. Fine. So 4. Getting the point? So first of all let us allocate the position to vowels. पहले हम लोग vowels को बैठा देते हैं. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, राइट? तो vowels odd position जाएंगे. तो 4 vowels हैं, 4 odd places हैं, तो 4C4 पहले उनको बैठा दो. तो एक ही सेट मिलेगा, राइट, विच इज इक्वल टू 1. एक ही सेट मिलेगा 4 प्लेसेस का. तो 1 3 5 एंड 7, एक ही कॉम्बिनेशन है 4 प्लेसेस का. तो इनमें वॉवल्स को बैठाएंगे. तो सपोज आई विल गिव O हेयर, सपोज A हेयर, I हेयर, E हेयर, राइट? नाउ दिस इज नॉट द ओनली पॉसिबल अरेंजमेंट, राइट? दे कैन परम्यूट अमंग देमसेल्व्स. ये लोग भी आपस में अरेंज कर सकते हैं. तो इनटू 4 फैक्टोरियल अगेन इज नेसेसरी. तो विच विल गिव यू 24. गेटिंग द पॉइंट? सो हमने वॉवल्स को फिक्स कर दिया. रिमेनिंग 1 2 3 and 4 positions. So remaining 4 positions is for the consonants. So how many consonants are left? So basically you have 1 here, second here, third here, fourth here. 4 consonants again will be taking the remaining 4 position, which is nothing but only one combination, right? Because सिर्फ ये places बचे हैं, यही चारों बचे हैं. तो 4C4 equal to 1 into, अब ये letters भी आपस में arrange कर सकते हैं, right? The consonants can permute among themselves. So again 4 factorial for that also, which is equal to 24. Now you know that we are going to add these two or we are going to multiply these two. So simply हम लोग इसको multiply करेंगे, because ये दोनों ही job का sub part था, right? This was a sub task, this was also a sub task, right? 24 into 24, which is nothing but, let us multiply properly, 576, right? So 576 words. Okay, so 576 words can be formed out of the letters of the word Oriental, so that the vowels always will occupy the odd places. Alright, so I hope this particular example is also clear. Let us quickly move to the next problem. How many different words can be formed with the letter of the word Sunday? So we have already seen this in the previous question, right? In the very first question we discussed today. That's simple. It will be simply equal to 6 factorial, right? Which is nothing but 720. Fine, the answer to the first question. But now we also discussed the second part in the very first question, starting with D, right? Then how many words can be formed? So basically बाकी पांचों का हम लोग permutation करेंगे, 5 factorial, which is equal to 120. Fine, but now the question is, how many of the words begin with N? Again the concept is very same. Word is beginning with N. So if you have Sunday, so here we have 6 letters, right? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now you have 6 letters here, and they have said now that the word is beginning with the letter N. So basically now the remaining places are 3 4 and 5, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. N is already given the first position, so you're left with 5 letters and 5 positions also. So 5C5 into, now the permutation of these 5 factorial, which is nothing but 1 into 120, which is equal to 120 again. So इसका भी जो है आंसर 120 होगा. How many begin with N and end in Y? So now you have to fix 2 positions. So you have the letter Sunday, okay, you have the letter Sunday, and now they have asked you to start with N and end with Y. Alright, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so you can see that the first position N moves there, last position Y goes there, and now you are left with 4 letters. ये 4 letters जो हैं ये चारों पोजीशन लेंगे. तो 4C4 एक ही पॉसिबल है, एक ही कॉम्बिनेशन मिला है आपको 4 पोजीशंस का, जो कि ये है. But now these 4 letters, once you place them, they will permute among themselves. So 4 factorial, which is nothing but 24. So the answer to this problem is 24. Getting the point? So I hope this particular examples was also clear. Okay, keeping the video short, we will come up with some more interesting questions from permutations in the next video. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.